This is 94 cr250 cold start. Has the Renthal handlebars. Renthal, that's my cousin's name. The Scott handle grips. Scott, that's my brother's name. We have the FMF pipe. So we have the FMF pipe there, and then let me show you this one. The FMF silencer, and we have the rims, and the green frame. Yes, green. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you my watch. Fuck, I'm not wearing it. But, oh, trust me. Touch the pipe. Yeah, that's not cold. I got the, I got some, spark plugs out there. I just put them in for, late wash. Then, my pistons. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and choke her real quick. Fuel is on. Choke her real quick. And get on her. Choke her, make sure she's choked. And this is how she sounds. Ready?
Jesse, get his face, dude.
Four kicks. 4 kicks. It is negative 45 degrees out. And there you have it. 94 cr250 cold start.